Welcome to Undoubtme. We are at the third question in a series of top 50 most important questions for GCSE maths. Let us start with this question. In this question, it is given that the number of uniform spherical shot that can be made from a given mass of lead varies inversely as the cube of the radius of the shot required. Okay, so the number of uniform spherical shots, so let's say that be n, varies inversely with the cube of radius. When the radius is 1 mm, the number of shot is 2744. In such cases, it is not required to change the units because we are just dealing with the ratio. So I can write this thing in the form of n is equal to some k over r cube by removing the proportionality sign, and the first condition what they have given, that will be used to get k value. Okay, so let us first do that. After getting k value, we can use the other condition and then we can just get it done. So it is 2744 shots times 1 cube is equal to k value. I need not even solve this because I can use the same value for my further calculations. Over there, I have to find that when radius is 1.4, how many shots will be there. So let's say the shots are n1. And that will be equal to k, which is 2744 times 1 cube over 1.4 cube. As I said that since we are dealing with ratio, we don't have to work on units. Mm cube over mm cube will get neutralized, so it really doesn't matter what is the unit. So by just calculating this, we can get the answer. So effectively it will be 2744 divided by 1.4 cube. And on solving, it comes out to be 1000. So the answer for this is 1000 shots. This was based on direct and inverse variation. Okay, this question particularly was on inverse variation. So you can revise more questions on the same topic and eventually you can revise this topic.